Good afternoon, viewers. And again, this is PK Shikdar, and I'll be discussing right now on clubbing of income or aggregation of income or income of other persons included in assessee's total income. Now, I'm just going to split it into different parts. First one is transfer of income without transfer of asset, which is provided as per Section 60 of the Income Tax Act. Secondly, income arising from revocable transfer of assets as provided under Section 61 of the Income Tax Act. But so far Section 61 is concerned, there are two exceptions. First one is, which is given under Section 62. First one is transfer by way of a trust, which is not revocable during the lifetime of the beneficiary, or in case of any other transfer not revocable during the lifetime of the transferee. And second exception is transfer before 1st April 1961 and not revocable for a period greater than 6 years. Now, there are certain conditions. Transferor should derive no direct or indirect benefit from such income, and as and when power to revoke arises, clubbing provisions would apply. Now, I'm coming to third category, that is spouse's income. Remuneration to spouse from a concern in which individual has a substantial interest, that is governed under Section 64, subsection 1, clause 2. But there is an exception where spouse possesses technical or professional qualification. Clubbing provision will not apply. Now, income arising to spouse from an asset transferred without adequate consideration or not in connection with agreement to live apart, Section 64, subsection 1, clause 4, and income arising to any person or association of persons from assets transferred without adequate consideration for the benefit of spouse, which is governed under Section 64, subsection 1, clause 7. Now, I am coming to minor's income, which is covered under Section 64, subsection 1A. All income of a minor is clubbed in the income of parent whose total income, excluding minor's income, is greater, but exemption of up to rupees 1,500 per child is available under Section 10, subsection 32, in whose hands the income is clubbed. But there are certain exceptions. First exception is income from manual work or from skill, talent, or specialist knowledge or experience will not be clubbed. And the second exception is income of a minor child suffering from disability as mentioned under Section 80U shall not be clubbed. Now I am coming to next provision, that is income of son's wife. This can be again divided into two parts. That is income arising to son's wife from an asset transferred without adequate consideration, which is given under Section 64, subsection 1, clause 6. And in the last case, there is income of minor son's wife, income arising to any person or association of persons from assets transferred without adequate consideration for the benefit of son's wife, Section 64, subsection 1, clause 8. Now, one thing you should remember here, in case of transfer of house property to spouse without adequate consideration, transfer will be deemed as owner of such, transferor will be deemed as owner of such house property as per the provisions of section 27 subsection 1. Now that is all about with respect to clubbing provisions, and I have already explained when income earned by one person is to be clubbed in the hands of other person, and what are the provisions that I have explained. And this is also very important for the examination point of view. So for this aggregation of income or clubbing provisions are concerned, you should try to follow this video, what I have said. And this video is actually meant for the students appearing for the professional examinations, and I'm addressing to the students at large of Kolkata and other states are concerned, and hope the manner that I have explained, it is definitely going to help you so far your forthcoming professional examinations are concerned, and you can keep it in your central processing unit. As I have already mentioned, thank you for watching this video, and I request all the students who are looking into this video, please give your comments, please share these videos. So in this lockdown period, all the student communities are immensely benefited, and if the students are benefited, then it will be my highest satisfaction. I am uploading this video not for any professional purpose. Remember, I do not want to do any business with these videos. Only thing is that during this lockdown period, since I am sitting idle, and I thought that if I am going to upload the videos on different subjects and topics, and which are actually being needed by the students for their professional examinations, they will be immensely benefited. Please try to take the advantage of these videos and give your comments. And if you want to ask any question on this, please feel free to ask me and call me at my mobile number 98301 and also you can WhatsApp in the number that I have mentioned, that is mobile number 98301 and if you want to write anything to me, please write it at my email address, that is Sikdar SIKDAR PK small p small k, all letters are small, 1958 @gmail.com. Hope you will like this video. That is all about. So for this video is concerned. See you soon. Thank you very much.